What's the meaning of aggressor? Aggressor. 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 Aggressor refers to someone who initiates or engages in aggressive behavior, often with the intention of starting a conflict or causing harm. The term can be used in various contexts, including military, sports, and law enforcement. Aggressors may use physical force, threats, or other forms of intimidation to achieve their goals. The consequences of aggressive behavior can range from minor conflicts to serious physical harm or even death. In general, it is important to recognize and avoid becoming an aggressor in order to maintain peaceful and productive relationships with others.